Hello world, life moves faster than we think. 1 minute you are wishing for something more, and the next you are looking back wondering where the years went. That's why it's so important to slow down, make memories, take chances, and enjoy the journey while you are living it. Trust yourself a little more. You have already made it through challenges you once thought would break you. The strength, resilience, and wisdom you are looking for are often already inside you. Sometimes all you need is the courage to believe in yourself. Happiness isn't about having everything, it's about appreciating what you already have while continuing to grow. When you stop comparing your life to everyone else, you start noticing how much there is to be grateful for right in front of you. Let go of yesterday. Stop borrowing stress from tomorrow. The present moment is where life is happening. Be here, enjoy today, and trust that the future will take care of itself one step at a time. Some season of life feels heavier than others. You do everything you can to stay strong, yet it feels like you are carrying more than you can handle. In those moments, it is easy to believe that you are falling behind or losing your way. What we often forget is that growth rarely happens in comfort. The deepest lesson, the strongest character, and the greatest breakthroughs are usually formed during the season we would never choose for ourselves. The struggle is not always a sign that something is wrong. Sometimes it is proof that something valuable is being built. If life feels heavy right now, don't give up. Keep moving forward one step at a time. One day you will look back and realize that the season that almost broke you was the season that transformed you by power of positivity. Here are some of what happened at Dolce & Gabbana Milan Fashion Week.
Per me Domenico e Stefano rappresentano un po' come una seconda famiglia, sono cresciuto con loro.
It's a beautiful campaign ad of Dolce & Gabbana devotion perfume between tributes to realism and Mediterranean atmosphere. Irina Shayk and Michele Morone are the protagonists of the new short film For Your Devotion, Io de Perfume Intense. Naples return as the absolute protagonist in the new suggestive Dolce & Gabbana spot. From the scene of passionate kisses in Piazza del Jesus, passing through the alleys characterized by the laid-back atmosphere to the iconic views of Palazzo Don Ana, and the Gulf with Vesuvius in the background, the city of Naples confirms itself as the muse favored by the Maison. Passionate kisses in the historic center in Piazza del Jesus, and then again the clothes lying between the alleys, bodies crossing between the waves of the sea with the background of Palazzo Don Ana, between the huts of Pasilipo, and finally the iconic postcard of the Gulf with Vesuvius on its shoulders, Naples in the protagonist with its scenic beauties of the new Dolce & Gabbana commercial. The brand published on social media and spread on TV and network the short movie of the perfume, Your Devotion, Io de Perfume Intense, the new fragrance of Dolce & Gabbana Beauty. The film shot in black and white and in color is called Devotion in Naples for Dolce & Gabbana to play an underserved love in the short film signed by the director of Gordon von Steiner, a couple of beautiful people, the top model Irina Shayk and Italian actor Michele Morone, Already known for Dolce & Gabbana and testimonial of the devotion campaign registered in Capri, as the campaign is an intense and inspiring experience driven by creativity, passion, and attention to details, alongside incredible talented professionals. On the news of La Sicilia, it headlined the Nation Awards in Taormina, Stars of Cinema, Archaeology and Architecture from Castigliotto to Zahi Hawass. The awards are celebrating their 20th anniversary with a spotlight on talents and excellence from Thursday, June 25 to Sunday, June 28, 2026. The Nation's Award in Taormina turns 20 and the lineup of guests will extraordinary span from cinema to the world of archaeology and architecture, shining a spotlight on talents and excellence. From June 25 to June 28 in Taormina with the gala at the Asian Theater on June 27. Sergio Castigliotto, Alessandra Mastronardi, Michele Morone, and the Turkish-born actress Ozgi Ospirinci, known for her role as Bahar in the hit series The Strength of a Woman. Among the artists who will receive the prestigious award, the King of Egyptian Archaeologists, Zahi Hawass, a world-renowned Egyptologist and former Minister of Antiques in Egypt, appreciated for his significant discoveries regarding Tutankhamun and numerous documentaries. The architect Mario Cusiniela, one of the most illustrious contemporary figures, Renzo Piano's School, a reference point for green architecture and founder of the MCS studio in Paris, has led the tradition towards high energy, efficient and low environmental impact buildings. We have chosen to tell the story of cinema through different shades, explains the president and the organizer of the event, Michael Curatolo, starting with Sergio Castigliotto, one of the most authoritative actors, directors, and screenwriters of both the big and small screen, a star of unforgettable films that have marked the history of Italian cinema. Multi-awarded and loved by a diverse audience thanks to his artistic versatility. Alessandra Mastronardi, who has distinguished herself in comedies and dramatic roles, particularly esteemed by both critics and viewers. Michele Morone, whom we all remember for his intense portrayal of the boss Massimo Torricelli in 365 Days, and its sequel, finally Ozgi Ospirinci, born in Istanbul, studied in the USA, and is now considered one of the most important actresses in Turkish cinema. In coming weeks, we will also announce the international guest who will celebrate with us the 20th anniversary of the award. Even in this 20th edition, the Nation's Award will delve into current issues in the talk show dedicated to environmental sustainability. Thinking Green, concludes Curatolo, at the NH Hotel. Expert international representatives and authorities will engage in a series of debates and meetings in the presence of the awardees. The Nation Award Thinking Green, whose artistic direction is curated by Marco Fralanca, takes place under the high patronage of the Senate of the Republic and the Sicilian region, Ars, and the Archaeological Park of Navos, with the sponsorship of the Municipality of Taormina, the Metropolitan City of Messina, the Order of Architects, the Mediterranean Architects Foundation Messina, the National Institute of Bioarchitecture, the Order of Engineers, the Notary Council of Messina, Barcelona, Patti and Mistretta, the Order of Surgeons and Dentists of Messina, and the Tourism Bureau of Messina.
finta di niente, ma lui è meraviglioso, il meraviglioso Sergio Castellitto, con il quale ho avuto il piacere di lavorare sia a Fisica e Ricci dicendo un artista incredibile, un gentiluomo, una persona super umile. Infatti mi ricordo quando l'ho conosciuto quel giorno sul set, ero seduto, vedo arrivare Sergio che si siede sulla sua sedia e guardo, maestro, ma quale maestro? Salutami, dammi del tuo, una persona meravigliosa. E uscirà Gentleman quando? Allora, con Gentleman usciamo su Netflix settembre, la Serati Brothers, la Serati uscirà al cinema a ottobre US. Faremo un'uscita in 3000 sale negli Stati Uniti e poi uscirà in tutto il mondo subito dopo. E l'altro uscirà il giorno. Il talento che verso gli ultimi anni, Michele Moroni. Direttamente dalla Turchia, Ozge Ozbilici. 52 arancini, granite con la panna. Vi ringrazio di cuore, sono onorato di essere qua. Con questo signore abbiamo appena finito di girare un film insieme a Londra, Rich the Gentleman. Felicissimo, sono felicissimo, emozionatissimo. Non ero mai stato a Taormina, sono felicissimo di conoscere questa città, ho visto Palermo per diversi lavori che ho fatto, ho visto altre zone della Sicilia, ma mai Taormina. Io poi sono uno che adora la Sicilia, adora i siciliani, mi sento a casa mia, mi fanno stare bene, ogni volta che vengo in Sicilia torno a casa mia che peso 15 kg in più, mangio tantissimo. Ricevere questo premio, godervelo, mangiare 22 cannoli, 52 arancini, granite con la panna, con tutto. Vi ringrazio di cuore, sono onorato di essere qua. Grazie. Grande talento che verso gli ultimi anni, Michele Moroni. Direttamente dalla Turchia, Ozge Ozbilici. Ricevere questo premio, godervelo, mangiare 22 cannoli, 52 arancini, granite con la panna, con tutto. Vi ringrazio di cuore, sono onorato di essere qua. Grazie. Felici, this is your first time in Taormina, right?
In Sicily, yes, it's my first time, unfortunately, but it's not going to be the last time.
Dice che è la prima volta sicuramente. 52 arancini, granite con la panna, con tutto. Vi ringrazio di cuore, sono onorato di essere qua.
Thank you and a credit to all the owners of the photos and the videos. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 179 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. There are moments in life when we are so focused on what we are still praying for that we forgot to appreciate the prayers that have already been answered, the goals we once dreamed about, the people we hope to meet, the opportunities we wish for. Gratitude doesn't mean you stop striving for more. It simply means you pause long enough to recognize how far you have come. How you be thankful for where you are while still believing there's more ahead of you. Those two things can exist at the same time. Sometimes the blessing isn't a getting everything you want immediately. Sometimes it's learning to appreciate what you already have. A grateful heart finds joy in the present instead of constantly waiting for the future to bring happiness. What you put into the world has a way of finding its way back to you. The kindness you show, the character you build, and the way you treat people when no one is watching all leave a mark. Choose kindness, choose integrity. Those choices shape your life more than you realize. At the same time, trust your instinct. Not every opportunity is meant for you, and not every path is the right one. When something feels wrong, don't ignore it. Pay attention. Your intuition often sees what your eyes haven't caught yet. Keep showing up with kindness. Keep trusting your instinct. Keep believing that what meant for you is still on its way. The journey may not happen on your timeline, but that doesn't mean it's not happening. By power of positivity.